Everything about you makes no sense. You're not that pretty and your hair's a mess, but I like you. Yeah, I like you. If I like you, would you like me? Would we end up happily?
He's the early bird in the bandwagon of celebrity chefs, while she arrived fashionably late.
Oh my God.
So what kind of chocolate do you like, Vicky?
You know, I'm actually I like dark chocolate.
Oh, the chef. The chef.
They have traveled the world with their obsession with food and their innovative recipes.
I am going to take biscotti because I love biscotti.
Hosts of their own cooking shows, authors and true bon vivants, let's meet the stars of the kitchen and my show, Vicky Ratnani and Maria Goretti. I'm too excited to have both of you on my show.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank
Gimme
you, Fanny.
Chocolate would have been incomplete without both of you.
Thanks.
This is my first show, and you two are veterans.
No.
So I want lots of tips from both of you.
You were our first food show.
I was.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Remember,
Vic-
we
I
were
was the
co-anchors.
He was the chef,
Yeah.
and he was the one who introduced me to dessert. And so then I used to tell him, I said, Vicky, can I stir this? And that's how I actually started with learning. And I remember after the show, I asked him for recipes, and he sent me the whole lot. And then I would call him and say, then what do I do? What do I do? How do I do? Okay, so that, working with him started this whole madness and craziness that I'm ever thankful for. I'm a student.
And I was both your guests.
I know.
That show made us really friends.
Yeah, that was really lovely.
Full of masti, khana, baking. What more can I ask?
Nothing actually. Nothing.
And can I tell you, you were let loose in the Choco Den with a reason. So it was not just to make you happy, कि chocolate खा लिया. I'm going to read your personalities through the chocolate and the topping in your glasses.
What are you
I am
saying?
saying.
Oh God, oh God.
So let me start with Maria.
No, start with Vicky.
No, start with us, start with
No,
us.
start Vicky. He has more things in
So
his
before
bowl.
the real competitions begin, idhar to already jhagda chalu. Chal Vicky, you're outnumbered.
Go for it.
Just say yes.
What's the chocolate in your cup?
Dark chocolate, 74%.
Very wise. Have you always been so wise?
I've been V-I-C-E. I'm not wise.
No, you're very wise, Vicky. And I know that you really think before you do anything, and your recipes, your menus are pretty well thought over, very well seasoned with your experience, right?
It is, you're right.
Maria, what's the chocolate in your cup?
The same dark chocolate.
Okay. You're very artistically inclined.
Yeah, I like that little, not perfect because nothing is perfect.
Nothing in life is
But
perfect.
I think I strive to do the best that I can with what I have. Yeah.
But it's not done because we are back to Vicky.
Oh.
Vicky, what's the topping in the choco glass?
Walnuts.
Walnuts for Vicky Ratnani. You are very contemplative. You contemplate a lot before you put anything out there.
I do.
Aha. Are you getting nervous?
No.
Your life's an open book, huh?
Totally.
Maria,
Mixed seeds.
mixed seeds. You have a great sense of humor.
No, I think I am funny by default. It's not that I seek to be funny, but I think I end up being a bit goofy. And I think that's why people think I'm funny. I actually don't mean it at all. I don't know how to be funny.
She's surrounded by very funny people. That's
She really is.
Yeah.
Vicky, you have so many stories to tell because you've been cooking on land and sea. You were the first executive chef of Indian origin on a British ocean liner, was it not?
on the Queen Mary too, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
The experience must have been crazy.
I'll tell you, the experience was just fantastic.
How many passengers were on the ocean liner?
On the last boat where I was the executive chef, was the Queen Mary 2, we had 3,800 guests and we had 1,000
Crazy. That was a
1,800
different
crew,
feel.
which means we had 5,600 people to cater every day, multiply by 4 because they eat 4 times a day. So about 28,000 meals every day. Wow. The fun was that every second day you woke up, you're in a different country.
Beautiful.
So I got the first chance to visit the best markets in the world. So every place I went, I used to look for where the market was. So that's how we learned about ingredients. So it's been a good journey.
It's good. It's lovely. It's really fun. Maria, you have such an exciting story to tell because I know you were a really well-known VJ.
Yeah.
And now you have this whole story with excellent food and baking and a gastronomical journey that you're sharing. How did that happen?
I was thrown into the deep end of the pool because I had a little kid who needed to be fed and I didn't know anything. And I happened to be in London when he was about 2 years, 5 months. And then we kind of used to take strolled into Borough Market. I'd not seen anything so beautiful.
So it's incredible.
Yeah, it's like you look at vegetables and they all look like pieces of art. And then every day I would go out and I would bring lots of things and then sometimes I would call for help from the hotel that I was living in. I would ask the chef, what is this and how do I make this? So that's how it started. After that, I did a show with Vicky. And for the first time, I saw that, oh my God, you mix this and then you mix that and then you cook it at that temperature or you bake it at that temperature. Every day, I would learn amazing things because of him.
So, Maria, I'm going to give you a recipe of a chocolate cake.
Oh my goodness, okay.
And Vicky, you're going to be presented with the same recipe. Maria, you have to read out the recipe in a sensuous tone.
Done.
And Vicky, you have to read out the recipe in your saddest tone.
Okay.
As if you hate the recipe.
Lovely.
So just like you just
Let's
don't
do it.
like
Let's
what's
do
in
it.
there.
Why don't you do sensuous and I'll do sad?
Oh, whatever.
Yeah. We are exchanging it, okay?
So you've decided to swap. Vicky, over to you.
Divide the cake batter between the sandwich tins and bake in the oven for 35 minutes or until the top is firm to the touch and a skewer is inserted into the center until the cake and comes out clean.
Now, can you imagine tomorrow he goes to his kitchen and all his boys are waiting for instructions. He says, take the palak and do dena. Aise.
Chop it. Let's do a quick saute.
Makhan laga ke.
Okay.
Makhan laga ke.
Maria,
Go.
this is your
Very sad one, no? Okay, I'm good at
Very
that.
sad.
Chocolate cake. The cake. Taste all the cake ingredients except the boiling water. Into a large mixing bowl. Use a wooden spoon. Beat the mixture. Beat it. Till it is dead.
I'm never gonna make that cake.
While we wipe our tears with laughter and in pain, let's be back right after the break.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.